Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back, and today...
You know that I clicked my nose.
No. Okay, and today this is a tutorial for you guys, but I'm also teaching him how to make slime. Today we're making cloud slime with a pad. Okay, Nikki, so you dump in some glue. I'll tell you when to stop. You dump in glue like that.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, now...
I want to have... Oh my god!
Okay. Now...
Pretty video of it.
Next to the shaving foam.
Oh my gosh! Why are we doing this?
Hold on.
Ew.
Add some shaving foam in.
Might have it after we're done with the video.
Okay, so... Okay, now mix it up really good, Nick.
No.
Alright, that's good. Now we're adding a bit of color in. Okay. We're adding in...
What?
Sorry, I'm not stopping.
You got some fidget spinners?
Okay, so we're mixing... Ooh, it's a good light blue. Do you like this color, Nick? Do you like this color, Nick? It's a good
My
light...
brother Leland has one of these, but it's different.
Okay, Nick, mix it up really good. Nick, don't quit dropping fidget spinner. Okay, so now that after we have that, we're gonna add some Tide in, and we need to overactivate this because you know how that works with cloud slime. And we're not using instant snow. As I said in the beginning of the video, we are making cloud slime with a pad only.
Oh my gosh!
Only.
Oh my god!
Oh, wow! He's spinning 2 fidgets. How does he even do that?
I just stopped it. Okay.
Wow, that's cool.
No, it's pretty simple.
Yeah. See? And, okay, now, Nikki, it's your turn. Add in a little bit. Add in a little bit of this Tide. Add in a bit.
I kind of stinky. Get it? Stinky.
Okay, it's forming, guys. Yeah, okay. And then I'll have a tutorial on, well, in the same video, but I'll show you guys how to make it.
Oh my god! Oh!
Okay, I'm going to have well, in the same video, I'm going to show you how to make the instant snow from the pad and how it comes from the pad. If you guys are slimers and been slimers for a very long time, you'll know what I mean by this. If you don't want I don't really want...
Jason will come here.
I don't really... If you don't really want to buy instant snow off of online, because it's probably, 1, it's expensive, and 2...
Oh my gosh!
I don't know, your parents will say
no,
obviously.
It was spinning.
Either it's too expensive or there's just like no reason to buy it in their opinion. But for you, it's like it's for cloud slime. Then, yeah, this is definitely the tutorial for you, especially if you're a girl, because not all boys just like pads wrapped up in their house.
And this is the other video.
Okay, this is a good consistency.
Oh my gosh!
Nikki, feel this.
No, look.
I see it. Now it's time to overactivate it. Okay. Overactivating it to where it rips. Should rip. It shouldn't be very stretchy.
Oh my god.
AKA rip.
How about we can make a slime
It should be chunky at first.
We need to make a video of we can make a thing.
Okay, it's definitely overactivated.
We gotta make ketchup.
It's overactivated for sure.
Gotta make ketchup on us and prank her.
possibly we could do that.
Yeah, when she comes out of the shower. We can
No,
prank
we're not going to do that. Not right now because we don't have time. Okay, guys, so now that we have that, I'm going to show you guys how to make the instant snow from the pad. Okay, guys, so once you open up your pad and you're going to open it up.
What's the point of this?
You need your pad, obviously, and you also need...
We need poop.
Stop, please. And you need to dump water on it. You're going to take the sticky part away to where it's like, yeah.
I'm the orange guy that makes the videos.
Okay, so I kind of forgot how to do
I'm the
this
guy who
pencil.
makes the orange videos.
Stop, please.
Yeah,
I'm like,
orange.
this was, Nick, please stop. So you're going to dump a little bit of water on here. What you doing?
What the?
A video. Okay, we're going to dump a bit of water on here.
Hey, let's make a guy.
We're dumping a bit of water on here. You're going to peel the first layer off of here.
No, I want to make something. Okay.
Okay, so we're peeling off first. Oh, this is hard. Really, really hard. I'm going to add a bit more water. Okay, there we go.
This way, baby. Watch.
Oh, God, water getting all over. Probably do that. You guys should probably do this in a bowl. Probably be a better idea. I'm trying to peel off this first layer. There we go. Okay, so peel off this first layer. And that gives you the instant, quote unquote, instant snow part. Yeah. So once you have that, put it in your slime. It's just like adding instant snow into slime to make cloud slime. But yeah, I'm really excited for this. Can't wait for the cloud slime. I'm really excited for this because I really haven't made this in a while.
They're in the refrigerator in a bowl.
Okay, so
I thought you cooked them. I did. They're ready in the bowl.
Why are they in the fridge? Because now they're cold.
No, they're not.
Okay, guys, shush.
Get them out and nuke them for 10 seconds.
What? Oh
Okay, wow. Okay, this is turning into a cloud slime texture. It's kind of sticky. Probably should have activated a bit more than. This is what I'm talking about, guys. You have to over-activate it, or else it gets very sticky. Because I know that whenever you add the instant snow or like stuff in the pad, that it like melts the slime down. So I'm adding a bit of activator so it can be better. This isn't really like the best cloud slime texture, but it is cloud slime. I mean, yeah. It's very, very sticky though. I need way more activator. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys when that's finished. So guys, the end result of this slime was unlike any cloud texture I felt. I do recommend this a lot. If you do it right, it turns out really cool. This isn't like the instant snow cloud slimes. It's just different. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out. I love you guys. Bye.